Hi everyone, good to see you again all. I hope you all will be fine. Please check Iraq latest news updates. Raffidain Bank announced the launch of an electronic reservation form for selling dollars to travelers. The bank confirmed, in a statement, that it has begun receiving travelers' requests through the electronic reservation form for selling the dollar to the traveler by entering the website https://www.raffidain-bank.gov.iq. He called on those who want to register to provide the correct data, fill out the fields accurately, and ensure that the information is correct and not to neglect any field. And the Central Bank of Iraq's total sales of hard currency to the US dollar during the past week amounted to more than $996 million. Shafaq news agency correspondent stated that the central bank sold during the past week and for the 5 days in which the auction was opened, $996,975,034, at a daily rate of $11,379,029, higher than what it recorded last week, which amounted to $985,596,005. The highest dollar sales were on Wednesday, when sales amounted to $213,828,961, while the lowest sales were on Thursday, when sales amounted to $191,422,686. Our correspondent indicated that foreign remittance sales during the past week amounted to $830,265,034, an increase of 80% compared to cash sales, which amounted to $166,710,000. Our correspondent explained that the sales went in the form of cash and transfers abroad to finance foreign trade, while the selling price of documentary credits and international settlements for electronic cards reached 1,305 dinars per dollar, while the selling price of transfers abroad and the cash selling price reached 1,310 dinars per dollar. And Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani expressed his country's desire to further enhance bilateral relations with the European Union and expand partnership in various sectors. A statement from al-Sudani's office mentioned that he received the European Union ambassador to Iraq, Thomas Seiler. During the meeting, they discussed the bilateral relations between Iraq and the European Union, as well as ways to strengthen them in a manner that serves mutual interests. They also discussed recent developments in the region, particularly the ongoing attacks on the Palestinian people in besieged Gaza. The statement highlighted that al-Sudani reiterated Iraq's clear and principled stance, calling on the international community and EU member states to take responsible steps to halt aggression, bombings, and the targeting of civilians, and to establish safe corridors for delivering aid to Gaza, relieving the Palestinian people from the dire conditions they are enduring. Furthermore, the Prime Minister expressed Iraq's desire to further develop its distinguished relations with the European Union and expand sincere partnerships across various developmental and economic sectors. The European ambassador pointed out that the relationship between Iraq and Europe has shown significant growth during the first year of al-Sudani's government. He also affirmed the willingness of various European parties to contribute to the Development Road project. The statement quoted Ambassador Seiler as saying that European Union missions continue to work and collaborate with Iraq at the highest levels. He emphasized the EU's position on developments in the Palestinian issue, advocating for an immediate ceasefire, the application of international law, and the opening of humanitarian corridors for relief convoys. Thanks, take care.